Hello and welcome to the Diffusion for Multicellular Organisms revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. Diffusion is slower in multicellular organisms. This is because they have a smaller surface area to volume ratio and they are multiple cell layers deep, which increases the diffusion distance. So in this diagram, the oxygen has to go from the red blood cell all the way across to the cells on the far side, which increases the diffusion distance, and carbon dioxide has to diffuse from the cells at the very back of the tissue all the way back to the red blood cells. To solve these problems, multicellular organisms have exchange surfaces and a transport system. Using both an exchange surface and a transport system allows diffusion to be fast enough to meet the needs of the organism in terms of exchanging substances. Exchange surfaces. In multicellular organisms, surfaces and organ systems are specialized for exchanging materials. This is to allow sufficient molecules to be transported into and out of cells to meet the organism's needs. Multicellular organisms have specialist exchange surfaces to increase the rate of diffusion. A good exchange surface should have the following features: a large surface area, a thin membrane to provide a short diffusion pathway, efficient blood supply for animals only, and ventilation for animals only for gas exchange. Exchange in the small intestine. The inside of the small intestine contains finger-like projections called villi. Following digestion, the broken down nutrients such as glucose will diffuse from the small intestine into the blood. Each villus provides a large surface area for the diffusion to occur, and the villus has a thin wall, so there is a short diffusion distance for the nutrients in the intestine to pass through. The villi have a good blood supply to take away the absorbed nutrients, and this helps to maintain the concentration gradient. Villi have a brush border of microvilli. These are designed to further increase the surface area for diffusion. Exchange in the lungs. The lungs are used to obtain oxygen for aerobic respiration and to remove carbon dioxide from the body. Each lung contains about 150 million alveoli, and each alveolus is adapted for gas exchange. Due to the high number of alveoli in the lungs, they provide a large surface area for diffusion to occur, allowing efficient gas exchange. Both the alveolus and the capillary wall are 1 cell thick each. This means that there is a short diffusion distance for the gases. Ventilation constantly replenishes the air in the lungs. This ensures that the alveoli always have a high concentration of oxygen and a low concentration of carbon dioxide to maintain the concentration gradient. Deoxygenated blood is supplied to the alveoli and oxygenated blood is taken away from the alveoli, and this maintains the concentration gradient. The gills in fish. As the fish moves forward, water enters through its mouth, passes over the gill filaments where gas exchange occurs. The water then leaves the fish at the back of the head. As the water passes over the gill filaments, the oxygen diffuses from the water into the blood for aerobic respiration, and carbon dioxide produced by respiration diffuses from the blood into the water. Each gill is made up of many gill filaments. Each gill filament contains many gill lamellae, which provide a large surface area for gas exchange. The gills have a good blood supply to bring deoxygenated blood and remove oxygenated blood, and this maintains the concentration gradient. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.